This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. The Northeast Frontier Railway has planned to make 2,000 sets of personal protective equipment this month to meet the growing demand for such coveralls for healthcare personnel who get directly exposed to the COVID-19 disease when working amongst infected patients. The NFR has already made about 150 sets of PPEs in its workshops as per the specification provided. Prototypes of PPEs have been made at the new Morigaon and Tripura workshops of the NFR with the help of presently available infrastructure, Chief Public Relations Officer Subhanand Chanda said. These prototypes have been tested by medical professionals of the railway, he said. Meanwhile, Indian Railways has converted more than 5,000 of its passenger coaches into quarantine and isolation facilities within a very short period, he added. Nagaland will soon have a Level 3 biosafety laboratory to conduct COVID-19 sample test. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio said that Nagaland does not have a BSL-3 lab at present, and all suspected COVID-19 samples are being either sent to Assam or Manipur for testing. He said the arrival of equipment for setting up of a BSL-3 lab at Naga Hospital Authority Kohima, which has also been designated and made functional as COVID-19 hospital. He thanked the Indian Council of Medical Research, Delhi, for fulfilling the long-felt need of the state government to have its own testing facilities. With a view to mitigating the hardship of those patients who are undergoing treatment in various hospitals outside the state and are stranded due to lockdown on account of COVID-19 pandemic, the Sikkim Government has decided to provide one-time financial relief amounting to 30,000 rupees per patient from the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. In a notification issued in this regard by Chief Secretary S.C. Gupta, the government will provide all ASHA workers with an honorarium of 5,000 rupees in view of the efforts to contain the spread of coronavirus infection in the state, which has also so far reported no COVID-19 patient. In Assam, the Deputy Commissioner, Superintendent of Police and Joint Director of Health Services at Morigaon district have been instructed to get quarantined. They have been suspected to come in contact with 2 positive patients. Official sources said that a few journalists are also told to go in quarantine. Assam has reported 28 active positive cases so far. Assam Governor Jagdish Mukhi has appealed to leaders of different socio-religious, cultural and sports organizations to urge their followers and members to strictly adhere to the extended lockdown amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Mukhi's call comes a day after the Union Health Ministry listed 5 Assam districts as coronavirus hotspots. He said lengthening of the mandatory stay-at-home period to 40 days has been necessitated to contain and control the spread of the dreaded coronavirus in the country. Assam has a total of 34 COVID-19 cases, with 2 new persons testing positive yesterday, Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said. The figure includes 1 death. Tripura Government has decided to conduct COVID-19 tests on the people of who had a fever or severe acute respiratory infection in the past 10 days, Law Minister Ratanlal Nath said. At a meeting of the Council of Ministers, it was also decided to incentivize the frontline medical staff engaged in treating coronavirus patients. People who visited OPD of state-run hospitals or were admitted at such facilities with fever or severe acute respiratory infection in the last 10 days will be tested for COVID-19, said Nath. He said a total of 10,798 people were placed in quarantine facilities till date, out of whom 10,191 were released on completion of 14 days of observations. At present, 465 people are in home quarantine and 142 people are in institutional quarantine, the minister said. 2 more COVID cases tested positive in Meghalaya. In a tweet, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma informed that both are family members of the first COVID-19 patient who passed away on Wednesday morning. With the 2 new cases, the total number of COVID-19 patients have reached to 9 in Meghalaya, including the first patient who died on Wednesday. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.